my fairy Strawberry. So for today's video we are playing Tower of Hell, but we are absolutely using a thumbstick. So yeah, I'm done to my assignment because I think my classmates will actually watch this video and they will get angry to us, to me, like, yeah, because I'm so sorry guys, my parents are kind of they're so noisy. I'm so sorry. And yeah, actually don't be scared to me. Don't be angry to me guys, because I just did my assignment. I'm talking to my classmate. So yeah, not to you guys. No, I'm just joking. To all of you guys, all of my fans. Okay? No fighting. Okay, no way. My blue trail is actually watching for me. No, I oof. I'm so sorry. My parents are kind of noisy, but they know but they don't know that I'm recording. And I think yeah, I always stop recording because my voice is so ugly. Like, it needs to be aesthetic, guys, okay? It needs to be aesthetic. My real voice is not aesthetic, but I'm just gonna make it aesthetic. But guys, please don't be mad at me, because all of you random YouTubers, they have random YouTubers actually always stop them video because their voice is not pretty good. Some people do that, guys. I don't know. Why do I always fall? Now I'm so laggy. I didn't. What the heck? What the heck? I just did a big shortcut. What? What the? That's a pretty big shortcut. Like, okay. I'm just seeing that if there is a shortcut in kind of Tower of Hell levels. So yeah guys, and actually I come back to TikTok because there's so many bad things to see there. I deleted TikTok last time. I just hate TikTok. There's so many bad TikToks, like they're the worst. Like, okay. No! Wait, what the heck? No! Okay guys, so we're in a different server. So yeah, hopefully we made it to level 6. The heck? Like, what the heck? Sorry guys, my brother is a little bit noisy.
Sorry.